Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Smart Fizzy channel, the place where English becomes super easy. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. Hello to all our awesome learners. We're happy you're here with us again today.
Emma, how are you feeling today?
I'm great. I had a strong morning coffee, maybe too strong.
Ha! Coffee magic. I'm doing great too, and I'm excited for today's lesson.
Yes, so what are we learning today?
Today, we're practicing daily English conversations. Simple, real life dialogues you can use anywhere.
Perfect. Easy English, real conversations. Okay, Emma, you're the barista. I'm the customer.
Okay. Hello, welcome. What would you like today?
Hi, can I have one iced coffee, please?
Sure. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
No thanks, just black.
Anything else? A muffin, a cookie?
Chocolate cookie, please?
Your total is $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your coffee will be ready in a minute.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
My turn to work in the shop.
Okay, I'm the customer. Hello, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
A t-shirt, please.
What color?
Blue or green?
Here's a nice blue one. Want to try it?
Yes, where is the fitting room?
Right over there.
It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Great. It's $12. Cash or card?
Card, please.
All done? Here's your bag.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Many people are scared to ask for directions.
Yes. So let's practice. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm lost.
Sure. Where do you want to go?
The train station.
Go straight, then turn right. The station is next to the big market.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We're at a party now.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you too.
Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, the music is great. Do you live here?
No, I'm visiting. What do you do?
I'm a designer.
That's cool.
Ring ring.
Hello.
Hi, Ryan. Are you free on Saturday?
Saturday. Yes, I'm free in the afternoon.
Want to go to the park?
Yes. What time?
3 p.m.?
Perfect.
It was nice talking with you.
You too. Have a wonderful day.
And thank you to everyone watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next video.